Want to get up to $1,000 paid out in one day by just clicking on ads? By watching this video, you can make up to $30 per click by watching ads in 2022. So pay close attention and watch the video until the end. Make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel to learn about more such earning opportunities. That being said, let's jump right in. Now, the website that I'm going to talk about today is an absolutely free site where you don't have to invest any money. In addition to that, this is available worldwide. So all you need is a mobile phone or a computer with internet connection. So, to sum up the entire process, in the first step I will show you how you can make money online by watching ads. The second is to show how you can earn $30 per click using my secret method, and in the third step I will show you how you can make up to $500 to $1,000 per day on complete autopilot. So before I will reveal the name of the website, you first need to set up your very own PayPal account, just so you're able to withdraw the money you've just made. Just head over to paypal.com and set up an entirely free account. I bet you can do this on your own. It's super easy. Now, without wasting any more time, just go to @iclicks.net. But very important, if you don't watch this video till the end, you will not make any money, or even if you make your money, your earnings will be stuck inside your account. So, once again, it's very important for you to watch all the way until the end to avoid all the mistakes and successfully cash out your earnings. As you can see here, the website literally says earn extra cash from your online activities. So here, you can do different types of things to earn money, including high-paying surveys, participating in contests, completing different offers, referring other people, or doing task bonuses. However, an important thing that I want to tell you is to focus on viewing ads, which means you can simply click on different websites and click on different ads and get paid real money. You should know that they are super transparent about all their earnings on their website. You can actually see the total payout that this website has every single day, and for today, a sum of $28,500 has been paid out, while there are over 300,000 users registered right now who are cashing out money from the site. The website is going to show you their country and their payment method, and the best part is you can cash out all your earnings in many different payment options. For example, if you want to pay out on PayPal, it's easily possible. Other than that, they have Perfect Money, Payeer, AirTM, Bitcoin, Skrill, and Faucet Pay accounts, etc. So, what I want you to do now is to quickly mention the name of your country in the comment section down below so that I can make more videos on earning money online based on your region. Also, don't forget to tell me your preferred payment method, the one that is available in your country. Let's get back to earning money, shall we? So, there are a lot of people already using this website and cashing out their money, which essentially means that you don't have to be concerned about the authentication of the website. Now, you can see the username of the people using the website along with the country they are basically from. They're able to earn real money on this website easily by just clicking on ads, and so can you. In fact, anyone can do this without any experience. So if you want to sign up for a free account, all you have to do is click on this register button, and from there, you will be taken to this page where you have to just type your full name, your email address, and right here you can choose and create whatever username that you want and create a password. Then, submit your birth year, your birthplace, and lastly fill in the CAPTCHA. You then have to agree to the terms of service and click on the register button. Once you log into your account, you will be able to access your dashboard. Now I want you to hover your mouse to earn money and click on View Advertisements. That's going to take you over to this page, and if you scroll down a little bit, you will be able to see the daily ads, promotion ads, standard ads, and micro ads. Now as you can see, these ads are paying very less amount per click. This is because it will show ads based on your location. But don't worry, just because you guys have watched the video up until this point, I will show you how you can earn $30 per click even if you are not in an ad-friendly location. But for now, I want to show you the process of how this works. So let's click on this ad here that's going to take you over to another website, and all you have to do is wait here for 10 to 15 seconds as mentioned on this offer. And while you are on this site, you basically have to scroll up and down so that the website doesn't assume you're a bot. On the top of this website, you can see a time bar. Just wait for this bar to complete, and after that you can close this site and the money will be credited to your account. Now you can click on all the other ads showing here and make money online watching ads. In addition to that, you can complete these daily surveys on the top of this page and can earn more than 100 cents per survey. A 100 cents is basically equal to $1 US, and as you can see here, most of these surveys are paying more than $1. Up next, I want to show you something special, and for this, I want you to click on the contest option. Here you can see that you have the opportunity to earn even better money, and as you can see here, you are getting paid 4 to 5 times more than what you can earn by clicking on ads. However, to earn these prizes, you have to follow my $30 per click secret method. Moving on to the second step of earning $30 per click. For this, I will want you to click on my account to the top right corner and come to your dashboard. Now what you gotta do is click on daily offers right here, and that's going to take you over to this page. And if you scroll down to this page, you can see that you can earn 3,563 cents for clicking this ad offer, which is approximately $35 and 63 cents. Just so you know, there are many offers like this. For example, if you click on this advertisement right here, you can earn up to 3,370 cents, which is equal to $33 and 70 cents. This is my secret method to earning over $30 per click. As simple as that. You can find different ad offers right here, which you can complete and earn $30 per click. But real quick, if you are enjoying this video, then smash that like button. Now, for the third step to earn $500 to $1,000 per day on complete autopilot. For this, you have to go over to my account again and click on that. On this page, I want you to click on affiliate banners from the left-hand side and a new page will pop up. So this will be your referral link with which you can refer others and make money on autopilot. Alternatively, you can also use the banners if you want to promote it through banner ads. You can choose the banner from 9 different banners available here, and after selecting the banner, you can copy its link from this box right under the banners. So on one side, you can simply click on ads to make money, and on the other side, you can build another bonus stream of income by referring other people to this website and making money on autopilot. Isn't it a win-win situation for everyone? The last step is to just copy your link from here and start sharing this link to Facebook and other social media platforms like Reddit, Quora, and others. That said, this is it for today's video. Thanks for watching.